Thank you for joining us for this short video breaking down our current status as a company. Startups often have great ideas, but haven't yet begun to lay down infrastructure or built a solid foundation for their idea. They have a theory of what could work, and they're ready to execute that plan to make it work. There's nothing wrong with that. But we did things a little backwards. For 4 years, we built our real estate company with our own money, landed $75 million in gross sales. We built a solid brand and executed our mission. Now, instead of having a conversation around starting the idea, we're ready to expand across the United States with a brand new product. We are again ahead of the curve. Before the fund had even really launched, I personally invested over $150,000 into the infrastructure, technology, and systems that will be needed for the fund to execute its mission. Everything was built with a lean focus and tested by our internal teams as well as our hired technical professionals. Bottom line, we are not a startup. This fund is an expansion to our already fully functional business. We have a solid track record, expert technology, and combat level leadership. Now that the groundwork has been laid, we're ready to go to work. Investing in our fund only adds more rocket fuel to the tank. And on the trajectory we're currently on, we have the deal flow to burn through that fuel quickly to maximize your returns. So thank you for your support of our mission and your investment into our fund. We'll see you soon.